Okay, this might look like a lunchbox, but unless you're snacking on resistors and GPIO pins, this is definitely not for sandwiches. Today, we are unboxing and testing CrowPi 3, an open source AI education station that promises to teach you coding, hardware hacking, and maybe how to talk to your toaster. We'll start in a couple of seconds. Heads up, this is a Kickstarter product. This is a prototype or pre-release unit. Features may change and always back up Kickstarter projects responsibly. Let's crack this thing open. Inside the box we've got CrowPi 3 main unit, a full-size keyboard and a mouse, a generous pile of sensors, wires, servo motors and other fiddly little things, plus RFID tags and a power supply. Basically everything you need to run a NASA internship from your kitchen table. Behold the CrowPi 3. It's like a cyber deck from the future, if the future involved learning Python instead of getting chased by Skynet. Inside you've got 7-inch screen, a breadboard, over 30 labeled sensors and modules, and also an easy GPIO access. Just slide in a Raspberry Pi 5 under the hood, though heads up, some kits don't include it. So, BYOP or bring your own Pi. Setup is surprisingly painless. Slide the Pi in its dock, if it's not there already, insert the batteries that are provided, plug in the external screen if you want, power it up and boom, you are good to go. Easier than IKEA and also less likely to end up in tears. The custom CrowPi OS comes preloaded with over 200 interactive lessons. Python? Check. Scratch? Check. AI? Also check. There are games to build, circuits to code, and even a few hacker missions if you're feeling bold. It's like Code Academy and Radio Shack had a really nerdy baby. My favorite, of course, is face recognition on the included and mounted camera, because nothing screams smart home like your laptop recognizing your face. And still looking disappointed. Want to blink an LED? Easy. Make a buzzer sound when somebody walks by. Done. Build a snack alarm for when your teenager raids your stash. Absolutely. With more than 30 onboard modules, you can build actual engineering projects without building a full robot from scratch. But hey, if you do want to build a robot, CrowPi can probably help you with that too. So it looks cool and boots up fine, but what can you actually learn with the CrowPi 3? Well, a lot. As I said, it includes over 200 built-in courses covering real-world skills. We are talking here about Python, Arduino, AI, Node-RED, Microbit, which is my personal favorite, and even Raspberry Pi Pico. Basically, it supports everything short of quantum computing, although give them a time and who knows, maybe with the CrowPi 4. Let's break it down. 32 AI lessons, facial recognition, object detection, and yes, your laptop may be smarter than your cat. We also have 39 Python lessons, coding basics to intermediate challenges. And also 28 lessons for Arduino, Pico and Microbit. Great for building things that blink, beep or follow the ball. And for all of you quirky ones, there are also 16 Node-RED lessons, because visual programming doesn't mean simple, it means smart. This isn't just plug and play, it's learn and build, and honestly, it's one of the most versatile kits I've seen for anyone, kid or adult, who wants to go from what's a GPIO to I built a smart home system. Look, I love blinking LEDs as much as the next person. But what really makes the CrowPi 3 stand out is that it's not just a kit. It is a launchpad. You're not stuck doing just the built-in lessons. Once you've finished a few or all courses, you are ready to build the actual stuff. Want to make a voice-controlled plant watering systems? Go for it, but the pump is not included. How about the motion-activated cat camera? Very doable. Or an automation hub with Node-RED. It's practically begging for it. You can take this one box and turn it into your coding portfolio. It's like getting a mentor, a toolbox, and a robot sidekick all in one. Except the sidekick doesn't talk. yet much. Plus, because it's Raspberry Pi powered, you can install Linux software, code your own apps, or even turn this into a mini web server. This thing grows with you. Today it's learning tool, tomorrow it's your personal AI research lab, or retro gaming console, or weather station, or maybe run Home Assistant out of it and turn this into your smart home hub. Basically, it's only boring if you are boring, and if you're watching this video, you are definitely not boring. Oh, and there is a little secret bonus use. When you're done building smart devices and AI face scanners, you can turn CrowPi 3 into a retro gaming console. Just load up RetroPi, pop in your favorite game ROMs, and boom, you're playing NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, even PlayStation games, all from this tiny screen and keyboard combo. It's like a Game Boy grew up and got a computer science degree. And yes, you can plug in USB game controllers that are included in the extension kit too. Learn Python by day, save the Mushroom King by night. Tell me that this is not the dream. So who's this for? If you're a parent, a teacher, or just an adult who regrets not joining robotics club, this is your redemption arc. It's plug and play, hands-on, and you'll learn by building. Then don't worry, very low chance of accidental electrocution. Very low. So what are some pros and cons? Pros: there are tons of built-in modules, custom OS with great tutorials, Raspberry Pi support, compact and portable and easy to store. On the other hand, we do have couple of cons. First one is screen is a little small for big projects. Not all kits include Pi, and yes, it may cause uncontrollable urge to tinker. So would I recommend it? Absolutely, this thing is a nerdy Swiss army knife. If you're a student, a hobbyist, or just someone who thinks wires are fun, CrowPi delivers serious values and serious geek joy. Check it out on Kickstarter, links are down below. And remember, this is a Kickstarter project, so if you back it up, you're supporting the makers, not the pre-ordering from Amazon. But if you want a hands-on way to learn coding, AI and electronics, well, this is a great way to dive in. If you've made it this far, you are a legend. Seriously, you've earned at least 2 cookies and a subscription click. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment and tell me what you'd build with the CrowPi 3. Or just say hello world, and I see you code nerds. Massive thanks to all my channel members. You are real MVPs, keeping the LEDs blinking. And to everyone watching, liking, commenting and sharing, thank you. You're powering this channel more than 5-volt GPIO. If you want to go the extra mile, check out the merch store down below, the link is in the video description. Also, you can become a channel member for only €2 or $2 per month. And yes, you can also leave super thanks if you're feeling spicy. That's it for today. Stay curious, stay caffeinated, and as always, keep building cool stuff. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye and have fun.